To fix Wi-Fi problems on Redmi A5, there are a couple of ways to do this, and the first one I recommend you just to simply turn on or off your Wi-Fi, because sometimes it might help with the problems. So you can do this by going into this quick settings right here and disabling and enabling back the Wi-Fi. Also, you can do the same by going into the settings, network and internet, and from here simply disable Wi-Fi and enable it back. If this also doesn't work, you can additionally go into the more settings of the Wi-Fi and click forget, and from here try to connect to your Wi-Fi network again. Also, if this doesn't work, you can also try restarting your router. This might also fix the problem. This is the most cases this solution works, and if also this doesn't work, you can also try by going into the settings, scrolling all the way down, going into the system, and from here scroll all the way down again, go into reset options and select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. From here simply press this reset button, and this also should fix the problems. And these are a couple of different ways to fix the Wi-Fi problems, and if this doesn't work, you might try to contact with the Xiaomi support and explain the problem to them, and they might actually give you the solution.